What is 30% of 4/5 of 1/4? So, kung fraction po yung choices, so gawin po nating fraction itong 30%. So, that is 30 over 100. Because percent means 100. So, 30 over 100 times, i-multiply mo lang po, of means times 4/5 times 1/4. So, pwede din na kunin mo muna, i-multiply mo muna to, tsaka mo i-multiply sa 30%. Pero same lang po yung result. So, 30 times 4 times 1. 30 times 4 is 120 times 1, 120 over 100 times 5 is 500 times 4 is 2,000. So, cancel mo na yung isang 0, cancel mo na yung isang 0. So, 12 over 200. So, i-divide mo both by 4. So, 12 divided by 4 is 3. 200 divided by 4 is 50. So, kung fraction yung choices, 3 over 50 yung tamang sagot. Kung division ay kung decimal yung choices, so i-divide mo lang yung 3 divided by 50, tas yun na po yung sagot. So, po pwede rin na dito pa lang ay i-simplify mo na yung 30 over 100. So, i-divide mo both by 10. So, 30 divided by 10 is 3. 100 divided by 10 is 10. Para mas mabilis ka na. Tsaka mo i-multiply sa 4/5 at 3/4. So, same lang po yung sagot. 12 over 200. Tsaka mo i-divide by 4. So, ganyan lang po siya kasimple. Follow for more videos. And we have also numerical problems for civil service exam.